Kids, are you ready to sing from A to Z? Clap your hands, tap your feet. Let's start the ABC Phonics Adventure right now.
A says get, apple falls down, red little apple rolling through town. Rolling, rolling, wait and see, who will apple bump into? Hee hee.
B says buck, ball goes boing, bounce, 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 doing its thing. Apple and ball now rolling along, singing their happy phonics song.
C says cat says meow, chasing that ball right now. Apple, ball, and cat agree. Let's find more friends for our ABC.
D says dog says woof, running so fast, woof, woof, woof. 4 little friends now having fun, Phonics Adventure has begun. E says elephant spray, splish, splash, splash all day. Everyone laughs in the sun so bright, Phonics makes learning feel just right. F says fish goes flip, splashing water, drip, drip, drip. Follow me, says fish with glee, more alphabet friends to see. G says go,
Goat says ma,
climbing the hill, ha ha ha. Up the mountain, off they go. Who's next? Let's find out slow. D H says huh, hat flies high, landing on goat. Oh my my, everyone giggles in the breeze, singing phonics easily. I says scream, ice cream sweet, melting slowly in Zanzibar. Let's keep singing on our way. J says just juice so cool, slurp up and roll. Energy high, ready to run. Huh, more ABC friends for fun. K says kite flies high, dancing, spinning in the sky, flying far above the trees. Who's roaring in the breeze? L says, oh, lion roar!
King of Jungle Roar. Welcome, friends, to Lion Sings. Let's meet more alphabet things. M for monkey. M says zoom, monkey swings.
Jumping high on jungle strings. Banana snack and giggle too.
Who's coming? It's letter N. Woo!
N said nest so small.
Chirp, 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 chirp. Night is near, the owl will say.
Look who's flying this way. O says ah. Owl says hoot.
Big round eyes, so cute. Parrot's coming. Owl can see. Next letter in our ABC.
P's parrot talks, colorful feathers as he walks.
Queen awaits inside her gate. Let's not be late.
Q says claw, queen so bright, waving kindly left and right. Rabbits racing in the yard, run, 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 not too hard. R says rabbit hops,
Never ever wants to stop.
Sun is rising in the sky.
Shining bright and way up high.
T says tiger prowls. Gentle growls, not loud howls. Rain begins, oh what fun. Umbrella time for everyone.
U says
Umbrella wide, keeping everyone dry inside.
van is coming down the lane, hop inside out of the rain.
V says up for van goes vroom.
Driving fast. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Watch says tick, time to see.
Almost done with ABC.
W says wook, watch says tick, learning letters super quick. X-ray shows a surprise, look inside with curious eyes. X says X, X-ray light, showing bones in black and white. Yo-yo bouncing up and down, spinning, flipping all around. Y says G, yo-yo goes, up and down it flows. Zebra running super fast, final letter here at last. Z says Z, zebra zoom, striped and zippy, vroom, vroom, vroom. A to Z we sang today, hip, hip, hooray, hooray! Wow, you sang A to Z. You are an ABC superstar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and sing with us again. Bye-bye!